What's up, Dogecoin holders? So, what's going on, my sweet brothers and sisters? This time, the video is gone very important and very good time for Dogecoin holder. Yes, Dogecoin holder. This time, Dogecoin very fastly gone up, and every cryptocurrencies, crypto market has totally very and lost, very highly lost this time. Every cryptocurrencies has gone down, but I can't believe it. How is it possible? My favorite cryptocurrency Dogecoin, how is it possible to they gone very fastly, they gone a change and positive? How is it possible? So let's see to what's going on in Dogecoin. This is the live price prediction of Dogecoin. Hope you friends like this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of videos. Hope you subscribe it for latest updates. Just press bell icon. Okay, so hope you also press bell icon. So let's see the last 1 hour today. In this video I gonna show you the three charts, and then we decide to what we do and why they are gone very fastly at this same time. So my brother, today is a day of Dogecoin, and I'm very excited to see the changes, to see the result, because this is the day of Dogecoin. Yes. So first of all, you can see here, this is the last 1 hour result. You can see here the last 1 hour change as occurred this time, plus 4.55% they gone up. So absolutely, in those days they gone up like a rocket, jump like a Spider-Man, gone like a electricity. Then I hope it of coming at the mid of this month, I hope they gone very fastly, they gone like electricity. You can see here this time 0.070314 as the latest price. So I hope they can cross $1. $1 they easily cross it at the end of this month. What you say, can they can cross $1? What you say, please tell me in a comment box. I think this is very hard but not impossible. Okay, so I can't believe this, they gone, and this time absolutely very gone up and positive. So let's see the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24 hours is also very important for the decision to what we do at the same time. So they are loading. Oh my goodness, you can see here this is absolutely very crash change. This time you can see here plus 10.78%, 78% gone off. Can you hear me? This time the change as 10.78%. This is chicken dinner time. What you say today as a chicken dinner day? Yes, chicken dinner day. I pick up the one thing of chicken. Oh my goodness, this time you can see here. This is terrible. This is crazy result. You can see here. I'm very excited. I stop my brain is stop working this time when I see this result. This result has gone very crazy. This result is gone very fast, and this result and go jumping and jumping. No jumping, no chance to they take a jump. No time. Sorry, no time to they take a dump. Absolutely, this is jumping time and very crazy moving of Dogecoin as one of the fastest cryptocurrency. This is real. Yes, everyone understand. If you invest and Dogecoin, sorry, this is not a financial advice video. Okay, please, if you want investing in any cryptocurrency, then please search your personal. Okay, personally search it. Okay, so this time I gonna show you the last 7 day result to what's going on in the last 7 days result. You can see here the last 7 day result has absolutely gone up and very positive. You can see here plus 19.3% going up. And one thing I said this time was very important. One thing, and the previous 7 days, every cryptocurrencies goes down. Yes, this is reality to every crypto, and I also shall show you at the start of this video to every cryptocurrency goes down very fastly, and the real all cryptocurrency change as a negative. But you can see here the price as increasing, the change has gone positive. So I think Dogecoin make me millionaire. Yes, every holder the Dogecoin is going to make you a millionaire, give you a very good profit. So don't sell it, be hold it. Okay, I request you. I just share my opinion. I just share my suggestion. Oh, okay, to what we do, what you do, and this time just my opinion to please hold it. And if you have any plan, I think if you have any plan, this is the price has gone up there. If you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely this is good time. Yes, this is good time to you buy more and hold it. And I have, yes, I have no plan to sell it the end of this month also. Okay, I have no plan. I sell it in 2025. 2025. Yes, I sell it in 2025, and I hope they make me millionaire. Absolutely, they make me millionaire. This is confirmed to them make me millionaire, because if you can see here, the growth is absolutely very fastly, and sometime also they going down. But friends, this is not mean to you sell it. Okay, this is, remember to they if sometime they go like a rocket, then they this time go like a rocket. You can see here this time reading is very crazy. This time chart is very special for every holder of dog e coins. So dog e coins, if they take this type jumping, then absolutely sure this they can make you millionaire. So please remember, don't sell it before you sell it. Then also you touch on my channel. Okay, I tell you to please sell it. This is selling time, so you just subscribe ABS Tech channel. I am updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So hope you enjoy this video and you like this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, and for next video press bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.